Here are our church announcements for the week of March 19th through the 25th of 2007. Next Saturday, March 25th at 12 p.m. will be our church dedication. I am asking all members to be present beginning at 11:30 a.m. And we're asking all to invite your family and friends to this great event. This is going to be the day we dedicate our church back to the Lord. And all of us are expected to be present and expected to worship the Lord as we invoke His presence in this house. Tell your neighbor, tell your friend, encourage someone to be in this house and experience what God is going to do. Our special guest on that afternoon will be Bishop Andrew J. Ford, all the way from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He is the presiding prelate of the Next Generation Fellowship Ministries, and he is the senior pastor of Ford Memorial Temple in the city of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It is going to be a wonderful event. He is going to give a powerful word and charge this atmosphere for the presence of God. I'm looking forward to you being a part of this. We've asked every member to sow a seed of $50 towards our church dedication. Those seeds are due today, and we're asking that everyone would turn them in no later than today. If you need to turn them in on Wednesday, you are able to do that, but we do need your support and we need your help. We're looking forward to having a great time, but we need to make sure that we meet our budget and that we have nothing left that we haven't done. God bless you. I'm expecting. On April 9th, 2017, at 3 p.m., Restoration Tabernacle, along with Pastor Porterfield, is expected to be in service with life-changing experience Bishop Harold Hodges in their pastoral anniversary. We're asking all to make plans to be in attendance on that service. It is a church fellowship. On April 22nd, 2017, the praise team is asked to render selections at New Beginnings Anointed Christian Center in their pastoral anniversary. The service begins at 7 p.m. All those that are able and would like to go, we encourage you to join us on the You can take advantage of online giving by going to our church website, www.restorationtab.com. Click on the link that says online giving, and you can give your gifts unto the Lord. Trust and know that all gifts that are given is given in secrecy, and your information is never shared.